Hey everybody, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. Sorry I am a little so shaky today. I've had way too much coffee. It's about 8 a.m. here in Largo. It's got to be already pushing 85 or more degrees. Today I'm going to show you kind of a full wheel detail. I am going to be running some O&R over both the BMW Z4M and also the daily driver Honda Insight. Yes, I drive like 300-400 miles a week for my personal training business, and this thing gets about 52 miles to the gallon, so it's awesome. Anyway, what I'm going to start off with today, I'm going to just kind of show you my steps right now. Again, sorry for the shakiness. I've got my O&R in a standard Lowe's pump sprayer. I will be using Brown Royal there for my wheel and tire cleaning. It's a great product. It's made by Flash Detailing supply company here in Largo, Florida. I'm sure you can find them online. I will then be going around the O&R just a little bit around the wheel wells. I'll be using a pressure washer to do the wheels, so you know you're going to have some overspray and stuff. Dry that all off. I'll then be using two new products for me. One will be the Quartz Gyeon tire. That'll be on the Honda. I'm going to follow up with the Opti seal to give myself a little bit more protection. And the wheels on the Honda are your pretty standard metallic coated alloy wheels. I've got the ZX tires on this. I will then be coming over to the BMW after doing the O&R wipe down, same process. I will be taping the rims off, and I do this for one simple reason. I'm going to use a product that is a black tinted acrylic rubber sealant, and I've been using this thing for quite a long time. I'm going to take you over here now and show you the Jet Black by Turtle Wax Black and Durashine Tire Coat Kit. I picked these up at O'Reilly's, and I believe they have been discontinued, but I know that there are other black tinted acrylic coatings out there. Go ahead and bag on me all you want. I like shiny tires. This black acrylic lasts almost a year and has amazing shine if you don't scrub away at them with some, you know, real harsh cleaner like your Meguiar's Hyper cleaner, or you know, even the Brown Royal. I mean, you'll get a lot less out of it. So I'll just use soap and water as much as I can on my wheels, and I hope that sealing them helps that. Here is the tire cleaner that's in the kit. I think it's just a very basic cleaner. However, this is the Jet Black Enduro tire coat. Comes in a small bottle. I provide this as a premium service for people who like long-lasting, shiny black tires. Not everybody does. I get that. Here I've got a variety of tire cleaners, my Tough Shine brush. I've got a long handle brush to get up into the wheel wells. I don't exactly know where I picked this brush up. It's a savior because it's short in the bristles and long in the handle. So it's amazing for getting in between the calipers and the wheel. Show you how that goes. Look. Right between the caliper and the wheel. This brush, I wish I would have probably bought like 4 of them. Probably a Family Dollar, maybe even a dollar store. I'm not really sure. I've had it forever, and the bristles are you know, amazing. It's like chemically resilient. It's a great product. I've got a number of some of my favorite wheel and tire brushes. These are actually all wheel brushes. I've got my non-scratch Scotch-Brite pad. And then, let me see if I've got my 9-step process here, forgive me. I do have also, I'll be using my minks from the rag company for doing the BMW. The Honda I don't care about so much. I'm just going to use some C grade. I have A, B, and C microfibers, and as well as premium microfiber, which the minks fall into. But after I tape off the rims, I'll be using the jet black there, and then I will remove the tape. And today I'm also going to try something new. This is BriteMax. It is called Remax. It is an SIO, which means it's got silica dioxide. It's like a ceramic sealant. It's long lasting. It claims hydrophobic properties that are amazing. And you can put this on ceramic coatings. Ceramic coating enhancer. Don't know if you can see that. Again, forgive my shakiness. I know I had way too much coffee this morning. Anyway, that is my process setup. I've got my little pressure washer. I like to use that if I'm doing, you know, really a full detail on wheels. It is just a little Karcher pressure washer. It's only, I think, 1300 psi. It's quite gentle. I'll be using it on both cars just to get things going, take off some of the loose dirt. Then I'll be doing the rinseless, and then I'll get right to the tires and wheels. So I'm going to take you along this process today. I have reached the 20,000 view mark. I thank each and every one of you viewers out there that have helped me get to that point. I still could use some subscriptions. That would be awesome. I'm going to be showing you a lot of really cool stuff coming up, and I'm excited about all the stuff I have to share with you. So like, share, do what you need to do, and I appreciate all of you being with me. I think this will be somewhere in the range of a 9-part series this morning. I am not getting the help with my videoing that I thought I would get, and I'm looking at camera shopping right now. I do have a DSLR Nikon, which is awesome, but it's just too complicated. And I'm looking at something that has Wi-Fi built in that I can, you know, just download right into YouTube and have a self LCD rotating or articulating lens so I can see where I am while I am filming. So anyway, always trying new things, trying to improve this channel all the time. It is going to take some leaps upward in the near future. Over there, that will be my detail shop one day. I am doing a remodeling job. So anyway, I thank you, and like I said, this is the opening video for this, and I will be taking you along through the steps on how I do what I consider a full wheel detail, a full tire coating, and I think it's very important that you, if you're an enthusiast or a beginner, you understand how important sealing wheels are so that the brake dust and things comes off a lot easier. And also, if you like shiny tires, you might be able to find a black tinted acrylic sealant. I think that the Gyeon that I'm going to use on the Honda with its quartz technology is far superior to most other tire coatings out there. I'm hoping to get you know, a few months out of it. I do love a lot of other products, but today we're going to focus on that. So again, I thank you very much. I'll give you a little insight on me, not the Honda insight, but my insight. I thank you for being with me. This is JJ signing out. Please subscribe. Please do share this with others. I appreciate you being with me. Thank you.